guys? Bismoto here again. I just got out a quick trip from my last video. I had myself a cheeseburger and some Mountain Dew, and I am ready to continue. When I was in Quick Trip, they had sirloin steaks, little tiny round ones, whatever, for 99 cents a piece. So I bought 5 because there was a limit of 5, and I'm gonna try them out. They look okay. Seem like they have a lot of fat on them, but for 99 cents, that's kind of to be expected. But they're either gonna be really horrible or they're gonna be really good. So I'll try it out and I'll keep you guys posted in another video and let you guys know what I think of them. Maybe I should make a Biz Cooks video. Yeah. Maybe not. Oh, Jesus, you made me stop for nothing. Got shit hanging off my handlebars. Wow. Yeah, 12 o'clock. It's going to be a mad dash here. People are driving like idiots because they're on their break and they want to go get their lunch. So I better be very careful so I don't get my ass ran over by these people. Oh my God, these guys have brats out here for sale, and I just ate a cheeseburger. But their brats here are so good, and it figures. Usually every time I drive by, I don't have any cash on me, and now I do. But I already ate, and they have beer before work. I don't know. That doesn't sound like a good combination. Oh boy. Well, it sounds good, but maybe not so much for job-wise. Shoot. I want to stop and get one, but I better not. Next ride. Maybe tomorrow, guys. Maybe tomorrow. Man, that lake is getting covered with frickin' seaweed or algae or whatever the hell that stuff is. It looks like shit. I don't think I've ever seen that happen to that lake before. Oh, I kind of wanted to turn there, but that's okay. We'll go straight. This is the corner where I wiped out the first ride I ever did on my ZS190 after I did the changeover. I wiped out on that corner, yeah, and busted my rear set and scratched up a side panel, and so my bars were all tweaked and stuff, so I ended up having to fix all that. Kind of sucked, but what happened is I was going around the corner and there was some salt there, and I thought it was okay to go because the truck was stopping at the yellow light and I was going, and then all of a sudden the truck decided to go and kind of freaked me out, and the bike went sliding out from under me, and I was only doing like 3 miles an hour, so it was nothing too terrible. Just kind of sucked. Kind of actually hurt too, but you'd be surprised just how going that slow and wiping out could actually hurt. You know, I see these guys wiping out on these things going fast, and I imagine they're in big pain. But that was the first wipeout I ever had on an actual motorcycle, so that kind of sucked. But like they say, it's going to happen eventually. And here I am without my gear on. And I get to wait for the wonderful train. Well, you guys can look at the wonderful water running over the dam. Uh-oh. Dam isn't water dam, so that way I don't get banned from YouTube. Or Whatever, they don't pay me anyway, so what the hell do I care? Screw YouTube. Charcoal grill. I've been seeing people on Facebook posting about that place and giving them diarrhea, so they should change it to the shits grill. I don't know. Maybe it was just a 1 week thing, I don't know, but I wouldn't eat there. Last time I went there, their food was kind of meh anyway. Oh, I'm freaking her out. I got her on video and she's like, no, I don't have your video. Ah! Nah, she just looked over and seen I had a cam and decided to pull forward, I think. Oh, it is such a nice day today. I wish I could just stay home and ride, but not today, guys. Not today. Wow, the traffic here is crazy. Hopefully nobody decides to run my butt over anytime soon. It's my biggest fear is somebody being on their phone, going slow like this, and somebody not paying attention and coming to a stop and getting my butt ran over, sandwiched between two cars. That would be like the worst. Actually, talking about that, a lot of people around here, a lot of accidents, a lot of fatalities around here lately. Unbelievable. I don't know if it's because there's so many people who shouldn't be riding motorcycles are getting motorcycles, or I don't know. You know what? I don't know if I've ever gave you guys a view of this motorcycle yet. I can't remember. I have so many stinking bikes. Oh shit! There's a cop. Oh, yeah, well, he's probably busy eating lunch, and oh no, there's no food there anymore. Shit, he's watching me. I can't mess up now. Don't arrest me, cop. I didn't do nothing. Ah, they just retard that road. That parking lot smells so good. I love that smell. When they retar the blacktop, smells so good. Hell with flowers. I want blacktop. I want a candle with that smell. Fuck it, how come nobody makes a candle fresh blacktop smell? I would buy that shit all day. Should I race this guy? Oh my god, it's gonna be a race between me and an 18-wheeler. Oh yeah, I think we got this. Oh, now we got a farm tractor out here. It's like fucking Game of Frogger out here today. Meow. Oh yeah, we're in super speed mode now. We're doing a whopping 47 miles an hour. Nice Jeep. Super nice Jeep. I would love to have one of those Jeeps. Nice four-door Jeep, but man, I bet the gas would suck in it. Oh no, I gotta speed up. Cars behind me are getting close. Oh hell, I'm doing over the speed limit. You guys can slow the fuck down. Trying to get me a ticket. That popo back there was eating donuts. Gonna come and get you guys. Kind of weird. Back there they had the Burlington Fire Department. I would have thought they would have that more towards the center of town instead of the outskirts of town. They must have more than one fire department, I would think. I would hope. By the time they hit the other side of town with all the traffic they get and the trains and shit, your house would be gone. That would suck, having all your personal belongings, everything you accumulated your whole life, like me, you know, pictures and, you know, all my stuff, all my hobbies that I accumulated and I have at my house, having the fucking place burned down. And sorry swearing, but I'll try watching that more. But anyways, yeah, your house burns down and all your stuff is in it. That would be horrible. And it's like, how would you put a value on that stuff? And you know the insurance company is going to try to pay you the least amount possible, because that's just the way insurance is. They want you to pay the most possible, but they want to pay you the least when something bad happens. I couldn't believe when I wrecked my Mini Cooper that they totaled it out. That car was so mint and like brand new. I mean, the car had a lot of miles on it and stuff, but man, the thing was so clean and it looked better than most new I'm not gonna say new cars, but it looked very clean. It was a very nice car. It was nothing wrong with that car, and I really wish they would have fixed it. Mini Coopers are a nice little car, but they cost so much money to fix. That's the whole reason why they're really not worth owning. I mean, especially an older one, because when something goes wrong, it's going to cost you a fortune to fix it. So I probably would have got rid of it by now anyways, but that car was nice though. And I see why the people who buy them, who like them, I can see why they do like them, because they're just a fun car to drive. But man, that car was a 2005. Didn't have a single ding on it until that dumb deer ran into it. No rust. Even the motor was really clean. I put I believe it was a Megan Racing exhaust on it. It was all stainless steel. And it was really, really nice looking. Sounded good. Didn't people, Jap cars have on them. It actually sounded really nice and presentable. Damn guys, well this video is starting to get a little long, so I'm going to let you guys go. I will let you guys know how those steaks are from Quick Trip. Couldn't have been too bad, but 99 cents, if they taste halfway decent, it's well worth it. I don't know, I'm going to have to do an update video on all my bikes. I don't know if I'll have to look back and see if I did one. I can't even remember if I did an update video on my bikes. Jesus, what's the matter with me? But I'll have to see if I did one. If I didn't, I'll make one. And we'll go from there. I hope to talk to you guys again soon. I'll see you in the next video. Sub, like, subscribe, hit the damn bell, or whatever you do with that thing nowadays, who knows. We will talk to you later. Have a good one and ride safe. Bye.